Hey friend, let's bake one of the easiest and most delicious chicken puff pastry recipe you will ever make. It's crispy, flaky, filled with the flavorful chicken filling, perfect for tea time, snacks, and if you are hosting party.